Hey everyone, this is Som and welcome back to this channel. So today we are unboxing the brand new DJI OSMO Action 3. I snagged this bad boy on Flipkart for a steal. Just 18,500 rupees thanks to a sweet credit card deal discount. It's usually 23,000, so I am pretty stoked about this deal. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have got the camera itself, which is sleek and compact, a bunch of awesome accessories like the magnetic mount, a waterproof case, and a bunch of other goodies. But for now, just enjoy this unboxing with me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out the full review. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video.